I've been doing this for a while, but I've had my hand in about every aspect of the automotive industry, so it gives me, I think, a good perspective. I'm a terrible car salesman. I'm the first person to say that. I couldn't sell a car on a lot to save my life probably, but I love working with people. I love caring for people and their needs, and that's what I'm good at, is listening to what people need, what they like, what their lifestyles are, and giving them great solutions to fit whatever that is. And a lot of times I surprise them, I surprise me sometimes with what I come up with. But sometimes it's exactly what they want, and sometimes it's completely different and it works out better. I love working for a brokerage because it doesn't matter what you want, because we go out and get it. So if you want a Ford, great. If you want a Ferrari, great. If you want a used car, a new car, and so we can be really dynamic as the market needs us to be dynamic. I love being outside and love spending time with family. We're pretty involved with our church, and I have a couple classic cars, and so do a couple car shows here and there and whatnot. And in fact, I've judged a couple. I'm not qualified for that, I don't think, but don't tell them that. Yeah, I love spending time with my family, and I think I come to work, and whenever I'm not at work, I try to be outside. How about that?